good morning students. How are you? Very good morning. Right. 9th class first chapter in the real number. In that fifth subtopic is operations on real number. In that one more second topic is laws of exponents for real numbers. Once again, the title will be laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay. See, this title we designed in three categories. One is A, one more is B, another is C. Let us see one by one. What is first? Let A comma B comma M comma N belongs to integers. Once again, A comma B comma M comma N R belongs to integers where A value is not equal to 0, B also not equal to 0, and A comma B are bases, and M and N are exponents. These concepts, these details we discussed in the 8th class itself. Once I will remind the formulas. I will list out the formulas in front of you. Right, let us go with 1. A to the power of M into A to the power of N. Formula is A to the power of M plus N. Second, A to the power of M to the power of N. Once again, A to the power of M all to the power of N is equal to A to the power of M into N. That means A to the power of Mn. Third one, A to the power of M into B to the power of M. This can be written as A into B to the power of M, which is equal to AB to the power of M. This is what? Third. Fourth one I want to keep in front of you, that A to the power of M by A to the power of N. Here condition wise we have to answer A to the power of M minus N where M is greater than N. I think understood. Second thing, A to the power of, right, let us take 1. When it is possible 1, when M is equal to N. I think understood. In this one more third, 1 by A to the power of N minus M. Condition is when M is smaller than, where N is greater than M. So once again, A to the power of M by A to the power of N is equal to, it has three formulas based on the conditions. When M is bigger than N, the formula is A to the power of M minus N. Now when M is equal to N, automatically you will get result is 1. When N is greater than M, the formula is 1 by A to the power of N minus M. This is what? Fourth one. Now fifth one I want to say that, fifth one, A to the power of 0, 1. Now sixth one, see sixth formula, A to the power of minus N. This answer is 1 by A to the power of N. I think got it. Seventh thing, if A to the power of M is equal to A to the power of N, then automatic M is equal to N. I think understood. So these are 7 formulas which we discussed in the 8th class itself. Based on that, problems also there. Okay. Already we discussed related problems in the 8th standard itself. This is a little bit things, little bit formulas, mainly 7 formulas under A concept. Okay? Right. Okay students, already A we discussed just now. Now I am erasing this A because I have to discuss B. What is B? Let a comma b comma m comma n belongs to rational. Previously we took integers. Now this explode. A, B, M, N are part of the rational, where A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, and A comma B are belongs to positive real numbers. The attention. A comma B are belongs to positive real numbers. M and N are rationals. Once again, this condition is very important. Through this condition, we can perform the problems. We can write the formulas. Based on that, we can do some problems. Once again, I am reminding you. A, B, M, N are rational numbers. Previous it was integers. A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. They are also same. Here A comma B are belongs to positive real number. They positive integers. Positive integers, huh? Yes, positive integers only. A comma B are positive integers, but here A comma B are positive real numbers, and here M and N, M comma N are belongs to rational numbers. Let us see. Based on this B title, formulas once I will remind you. What are the formulas? Same. Number 1, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. I think understood. One small problem. Example size. Here base should be positive real number. Let us take any one. Suppose 1 by 2 to the power of m and n are rational numbers. So let us take minus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of minus 4 there. This is one question. See, based on these conditions, the question is designed. Base must be positive real number, because of 1 by 2 is a real number only, no? And m and n are belongs to rational. Yes, minus 3 is rational, minus 4 also rational. Now I am following through these conditions. I am making questions. I can show its result in front of you. What can I do? So what is its answer? When bases are equal, powers should be added. Based on that, based on this formula, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 plus minus 4. Next, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 plus of minus 4, answer is minus 7. Completed answer. Therefore, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of minus 4, the result is 1 by 2 to the power of minus 7. Consider this is one of the model based on this formula. Okay, na? Let us see one more problem. One more. Can I see once? Okay? One more problem. Yes. Now, a value, let us take positive real number, no? Positive real number. Now I am taking, suppose 0.5 to the power of 0.5 is a rational number, a real number only, no? Positive real number only, no? Right. And m, n r belongs to rational. Now I am taking one rational number here. So let us take 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2 is also one of the rational number only. And 0.5 is one of the positive real number. Okay, based on these conditions, by applying this formula, I am making question in front of you. I am doing problem also. Into 0.5 to the power of, suppose you take 3 by 2. These both are rational numbers. Now how to do this problem? So answer C. Answer 0.5 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 based on this formula. Now I use this one. A to the power of m plus n. 0.5 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Further step, 0.5 to the power of, so 1 plus 3 by 2. Next step, 0.5 to the power of 4 by 2. To 1s are to 2s are. Then answer is 0.5 to the power of 2. So what is final result to? 0.5 to the power of 1 by 2 into 0.5 to the power of 3 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 to the power of 2. This is one answer. Let us see one more formula. Okay, I think understood. This is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. When bases are equal, power should be added. Based on that, and through these conditions, we did two problems. I think you understood very clear. Let us go with one more formula. Right. Let us go with second. What is second? Now, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. This answer, a to the power of m into n. Mn indicate that. See, I am writing. Mn indicate that m into n. Instead of m into n, we can write mn. One problem. Example said one problem. See, base must be positive real number, right? Let us see. Minus 5 is positive real number. Sorry, it is a negative real number. So let us take 5. Or better to take 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is positive real number, which is treated as a base. And exponents, they must be rational. So I am taking m position is 1 by 2 to the power of, and minus 3 by 4 is suppose. See, 1 by 2 m position, minus 3 by 4 n position. Here these two are part of the rational number, and base 3 by 4 is one of the positive real number. Okay. But how to do these problems? With the help of this formula. So now I am doing this one carefully. 3 by 4 to the power of, based on this, m position 1 by 2, n position minus 3 by 2, 3 by 4. Mn, nothing but you try to multiply these two powers. M position 1 by 2 into n position 3 by 4. I think understood. Okay. Let us see. 3 by 4 to the power of, see, minus 3 ones are, or else 1 3s are 3 by 2 4s are 8. Completed answer, nothing there. What is the answer? 3 by 4 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3 by 8. Okay, my students? If the questions are available in your textbook, through these concepts, I am explaining one problem. Based on that, you perform. Even if you have any doubts, you post your doubts in my comment box. I can reply. Right? Next, let us see third one. What is third one? Now I am listening. Third one is, suppose a to the power of m into b to the power of n, which is equal to a into b to the power of m. Sorry, here m. Base is different, power should be same. Okay, right. Now this can be written as ab to the power of m. And so, right? Okay, now? One example. What is example? A and b are positive real numbers. Let us take okay, 1 by 2 to the power of m position, one of the rational number. Now I am taking minus 1 by 2 into b position. I am taking positive real number, that is 5 by 4 to the power of m position. However, power should be, exponent should be same. No, bases are different, exponent should be same. But how to overcome this answer? I think okay now. Now answer is 1 by 2 based on the formula into 5 by 4 to the power of minus 1 by 2. Right? Understood? Further step, your cutting is not applicable. That's why 1 5 is a 5, 2 4 is a 8 to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is answer. So therefore, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 4 to the power of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 8 to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is answer. Formula wise I am explaining one problem. Based on this calculation, if you perform exercise problems or do this, try these things which are available in your textbook. Right? Okay. Already third completed. Now let us go with the fourth formula. That is fourth one. A to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equal to, there are three answers there based on the condition. Number one, a to the power of m minus n, where m is greater than n. So let us see. It has three answers now, three formulas now. I want to make like this. One answer is a to the power of m minus n, where m is greater than n. Right? One answer is just exactly 1, where m is equal to n. One more answer is 1 by a to the power of n minus m, where n is greater than n. I think understood. The 1 problem, see example set examples. Suppose 2 to the power of 3 or else 2 to the power of 1 by 2 by 2 to the power of 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 there, here 1 by 4. See, based on this rule only, bases must be positive real number. Yes, 2 is a real number only. M and n are rational numbers. 1 by 2 is a rational number, 1 by 4 also rational number. But thing is, you carefully observe, 1 by 2 is the m position, 1 by 4 is the n position. Here 1 by 4 however greater than 1. 1 by 2 is however greater than 1 by 4. You remember. Now I am showing 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 4. Now answer. What is answer? When m is greater than n, we can use this formula direct. Now 2 to the power of m 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now calculation is going on. 2 to the power of, what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4 into 2 to make the LCM same. Here 2 minus 1. What is the next position? 2 to the power of 1 by 4. This is answer. Therefore, 2 to the power of 1 by 2 by 2 to the power of 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1 by 4. You understood? This is what one of the problems based on this. When it is questioned, this as the answer. But in this speciality, m is greater than n. Next problem, see. A to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n is equal to 1 when m and n are same. For example, say see. 1 by 2, which is positive rational number, real number, and exponent should be, suppose 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 to the power of 3 by 2, because m n must be same only, you know. M value 3 by 2, n value 3 by 2, both are same based on this logic. So what is this answer? If it is asking like this, what is answer? The answer is numerator denominator look same, no? Like this, a by s type, a 1 by 1. Same manner we can cut 1 the 1. What is answer? 1 by 1, nothing but 1. Okay, let us see this one. One example, see. Now, a is one of the positive real number. Let us take 1 by 2 to the power of m position rational number is required. Suppose I am taking a very simple number, that is 4 by 1 by 2 to the power of, suppose I am taking 5. See, M position 4 there, N position 5 there. But how it is? N value, that means 5 is bigger than 4. So N position 5 there, M position 4 there. However, I took the question based on this condition. So what about its answer? The answer is 1 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 4. The result is 1 by 2 to the power of 1. That means 1 by 2 is answer. Okay. This is what about fourth formula, right? Okay, students, let us keep fifth formula, that is a to the power of minus n. A to the power of minus n formula is 1 by a to the power of n. So example says a value, one of the positive real number. Let us take 7 by 9. It is positive real number. Now, n position take one of the rational number. Let us take minus 3. Minus 3 is one of the rational number. Meaning n position is 3. N value is 3. But it is belongs to rational. Okay. According to rule and this concept, the question is correct. But how to write this answer? No answer. 7 by 9 to the power of minus 3 now. Next step, 1 by 7 by 9 to the power of 3. Completed. Therefore, 7 by 9 to the power of minus 3 answer is 1 by 7 by 9 to the power of 3. This is what about the fifth. Let us see, careful observe, right. Let us see sixth formula. What is sixth formula? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Absolutely it is correct only. A position, let us take positive real number. Now I am writing examples. 1 by 2 to the power of 0. What is the answer? 1. 3 by 4 to the power of 0. What is the answer? 1. 0.5 to the power of 0. What is the answer? 1. In such a way we can give many examples. Right? Clear? Okay now. Right. This is about sixth. Seventh rule of the seventh formula, that is, if a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. Example side, a value let us take 1 by 2 to the power of m position 4, right, which is equal to a position 1 by 2, but n position you take 4. Then what happened? A value same, m value if you consider same, then what will happen through this? We can write 4 is equal to 4 now. We can write 4 is equal to 4 now. 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Here a value 1 by 2, m value 4, n value 4. Through that we are able to write powers are equal. When question is like this, we are able to write powers are equal. So based on that, some model questions, I want to show only one question, that suppose in case of this, he is going to ask x plus 1. Now his question is application. This formula application problem, see. If 1 by 2 power 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x plus 1, then find x. Very, very, very important problem. Excellent question. So how to overcome this x value? Very easy. Through this we can find very easy. Answer, 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x plus 1. How it is? It is in the form of a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n. So our result is m is equal to n. No? A to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, which is equal to m is equal to n. Thing is, based on this logic, here 4 is equal to x plus 1. Now 4 minus 1 is equal to x. Now x is equal to 3. You got it. This is a very excellent problem based on this formula. Very, very important problem. Question as well as answer. Okay, students. till 7 formulas completed based on these case. Here A, B, M, N are rational numbers. Right? Mainly A should not be 0, B also. M and N are bases. Generally we can call bases. Bases. Those bases must be positive real number. Positive real numbers, and exponents must be part of the rationals. Okay? Right? Okay. See beta, about C I am discussing. It is the last in this topic. Let a to the power of x is equal to b. A to the power of x is equal to b, where a belongs to positive real number, x belongs to positive integer, b however it is part of the real number. Once again, a to the power of x is equal to b, where a is one of the positive real number, x is one of the positive integer, a is one of the real number. So based on this, before that, okay, it's a further step. See, further step. If you want a, what to do? See, a to the power of 1 by a to the power of x is equal to b. No, to eliminate this x position, what to do? Squaring on, or else squaring on both. Okay, let us see. A to the power of x to the power of 1 by x. So b to the power of 1 by x. What happened? To eliminate this x, now I am applying 1 by x on both sides in a power notation. Through that, what will happen? These both are going to cancel. Now I got x, a value, that is b to the power of 1 by x. This can be written as a is equal to x root of b. Meaning, example 3, meaning a to the power of x is equal to b, then a is equal to x root of b. This is very important. A to the power of x is equal to b, then a is equal to x root of b. Few examples observe carefully. Suppose the 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Correct only, no? 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Then, carefully, cube root of 8 is equal to how much? 2. Carefully, based on this concept only. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. One more example. 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 25. No? 5 into 5. Now, square root of 25 how much? 5. Okay, na? One more example. 10 to the power of 3 is equal to, or else 10 to the power of 4 is equal to how much? 10,000. This can be written as 4th root of 10,000 is equal to 10. If you know this formula, logic, you are able to answer. Otherwise, we have to calculate. We have to go through this calculation to get the result. So, one more example. Tell me. Suppose x to the power of m is equal to n. X to the power of m is equal to n. Then mth root of n is equal to x. One more. Be attention everyone. Suppose x to the power of n is equal to m there. What is the answer? Nth root of m is equal to x. I am making confused by taking different questions. One more question. 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 343. So next, cube root of 343, answer is 7. Okay, last example. Suppose 3 to the power of, let us take 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of 5, answer how much? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 2, 81 3 is 3 1 is 3, 3 is 24, right? 242, correct? Once see, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is nothing but 242. Then fifth root of 243, answer tell me. 300. Okay, na? 9 9 is 81. 3 square into 3 square into 3. 9 9 is 81. 81 3 is 81 3 is right, 243. Okay, these are questions. So it is exponential form, it is nth root notation. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8, cube root of 8 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25, square root of 25 is equal to 5. 10 power 4 is equal to 10,000, fourth root of 10,000 is equal to 10. In such a way, this all. One more. Last. Suppose 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. What is the answer? If you know this formula, this logic, you can answer in this way. 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. Then fourth root of 81, answer 3. Another method, see, when question is comes like this, so I am doing this problem. Yes, this further step, fourth root of 81 is equal to 3 only. When question is comes like this, how to do? Another procedure. For this 81, 327 the 3 9 the 3 3 the nothing but 3 to the power of 4. Then inside 4 there, exponent 4 there, both are become same, that's why both are we can cancel. That means fourth root of 81, answer. This is another process. If you know direct logic, you can write direct answer. Otherwise, this is another option to overcome the result. Right? Okay, students. If you have any doubt, you share your doubts in the comment box. Please share my videos to your well wishes and like my video, subscribe my video. Right, thank you.